Welcome back, creators. Today, we are continuing our exciting Arctic story in part 2. In this video we will learn how to show the next scene of our story and also learn to fix the bugs. To start this new part fresh, we first need to hide all the old sprites from the previous scene and switch our backdrop to the Arctic. Now let's code the stage so that after the first scene ends, it switches to the next backdrop, hides all the sprites from the previous scene, and stop all the sounds. Remember, if your characters stay stuck on the screen or sounds keep playing, use a broadcast signal to clear them out, and make sure to attach a show block to your green flag so they reset properly next time. All the sprites hide but music didn't stop. Let's fix this. Just need to remove the forever block. Oops! Our characters are missing when we press the green flag. Don't worry, we will fix it together. We will add the show block after green flag click block. Now we have fixed the bug. Letter S is showing now. And there you have it. Part 2 is set up and running smoothly. In part 3 we will introduce new characters of our story, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding adventures. Happy coding, everyone!